Hi guys, I'm currently sitting on my living room floor and we are about to go view a house. And I haven't told you guys about this yet because it's been a roller coaster of emotions and just things that have happened in the past, I think, like 6 months. So basically, throughout the whole lockdown, we were living in the flat that I'm in right now. And it has no outdoor space whatsoever, no balcony, no garden. We have a park nearby, but in the beginning of the pandemic, like last year, a year and a half ago, we didn't go out at all because we were just scared. We didn't know what was happening. The government said that we should stay home and not go out for picnics or any kind of activities like that. So we stayed inside for most of the last year. And that made us realize that we do not want to stay inside forever. I mean, I'm speaking mostly for me. My partner agrees with this at some extent, but not like 100%. But we just thought about the fact that we can get so much more out of our money if we go outside of London. So we decided we're gonna go this summer and visit a few cities. But then we visited one. We visited Milton Keynes, and we liked it, so we decided we are gonna look into there because it's a easy commute into London if it needs to happen. It's a lovely city, it's surrounded by nature, it's a modern city, you have everything you need, it's very quickly developing, and it's perfect for what we need, and it's so much cheaper than London. So we've had a few setbacks since then because firstly we wanted to move in by ourselves and we couldn't find houses that would accept us because we didn't fit the affordability criteria, which doesn't make sense because we're paying more now, but because of how the situation is, they want people who are earning more so that they are secure and stable, and we weren't fit for that agency. But afterwards we decided we're gonna move in with some friends. We view a house, we loved it, we wanted to put an offer on it, and the agent just didn't reply to us anymore, so we were really frustrated, really sad. It didn't go as planned at all. So we went back to square one, and now we are moving in, just me and my partner again, without the friends, because they have some things they need to stay here in London for. And today we are visiting a property. The thing is, no flats accept pets, and the houses that do accept pets are expensive, and we are looking for something as low as possible because we want to get to pay the same amount of stuff that we are paying now, or maybe a bit less, but we want a garden, we want a house, we want a space that we can just live in more comfortably. It will probably be the same size or even smaller, but it will have a garden, and that's amazing, and I really want that. And so we are going there now. I already spoke for 3 minutes and a half, but I just wanted to give you a little insight into what happened in the past 6 months. We viewed some properties, we love the area. I mean, it's tricky and it's an emotional roller coaster because I am stupid enough to fall in love with every property that I see. So even for this one, I tried to keep the emotions to a minimum, but I already know like how I want to decorate it, what I want to do with the place, what the area looks like, what the surroundings have, like where the shops are and everything, and it's draining if we will get a no for this again. And if we will get a no, you will probably never see this vlog, so hopefully you will see this vlog because I love that house and I really want that house to be ours, and it's a lovely area and liked it, and I'm done with this like it's draining, it's exhausting looking for houses and looking to move, especially if you want to move in another city. So let's hope today goes well. Good morning guys, I just woke up and it feels surreal. I think we are going to be moving in a month. Basically we've been looking at houses for about half a year, just like trying to find something that accepts Simba, trying to find something within our budget that is in a nice area, And trust me, that's been not difficult, but very difficult. And now is the furthest we've ever gone with the property. We've already put the holding deposit down, and now the references are being done. I've never rented with an agency, so I don't know how the referencing process goes, how long it takes, what it needs to happen. We need to talk to our current landlord and explain the situation to him. It's just surreal, to be honest. I mean, I still don't feel like we'll get it because I've been disappointed so many times. I'm looking at home decor all day long, but at the same time, I don't feel like we're gonna get this property just because we've been disappointed so many times. But I will keep you updated, of course. And if it turns out that we will get this property, get ready for a lot of moving content because I love this type of vlogs. You can only do them when you move, and it's not like you move 24/7. So they are quite unique and rare and nice to look back on. And I will do lots of them, but fingers crossed everything goes through, everything's fine, and I will show you my lovely, small, tiny little house. We are moving! It seems so surreal to be able to say this. I told you guys I'm gonna keep you updated, and now we've done everything. We've passed the references, we've paid the holding deposit. Basically the house is ours. We just need to sign the tenancy agreement, which is gonna happen maybe this week, maybe next week, because we still have 1 month and 4 days until we move. Everything went extremely smooth. I'm gonna start packing, prepare for loads of moving videos and packing videos and tips and tricks and my experience with moving. And I'm just extremely excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey and to be able to have this journey, to be able to move into a house, a nice house with a garden, and just decorate for the first time. Because when we moved into this flat, it was already furnished, so I didn't get to decorate it as much as I wanted to. But this house is gonna be completely empty. I can do exactly what I want, and trust me, the design of this house is gonna be beautiful. So that is my little update, and I'm of course gonna keep you guys with me, updated alongside me, whatever happens. So one of the first things that I would like to get done before we move is sell all the big pieces of furniture that I'm not planning to move with. And one of them is my desk. It's been a lovely desk. It's gotten me through university for 3 years. I've had it for 3 years almost, and it's in great condition. It has a few marks that I'm planning to try to clean off and just make it look nice, and then I'm gonna take some pictures of it, and then I'm gonna post it on Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully someone is gonna want it in the next 3 weeks. But first of all, I need to declutter everything that's inside of it. Dismantle this desk is on. I'm alone at home, my boyfriend is working, and I want to do this by myself. I've never dismantled anything, I've built it together with him. It was super complicated and it required 2 people because you had to hold pieces, but I think disassembling it should be easier, so we're gonna give it a try, and if not, of course, we're gonna do it again. But the thing is, I know for some people, starting to pack 1 month in advance is too much, is too in advance, and I get that. But if you want, and then we have a visitor. Oh, he doesn't want to be part of this video. So if you want to not be super stressed about it, not run like a headless chicken and trying to sell all the stuff in like the last 3 days, then you have to do it in advance. And I'm just starting to make it easy for me. So I've already posted lots of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I'm also gonna declutter and sell a lot of my clothes that were actually in the loft. So I've cleaned everything, I've dried everything, everything is like sterilized from being in the loft, and now I'm gonna try to put them on Facebook Marketplace as well, just to see if I can sell anything, and whatever I'm ending up not selling, I will just donate to charity before I leave. So there's that, and now I'm gonna try to do this, and then I will have some space for other stuff and other boxes, and we'll take it from there. So I've just took out all of the drawers and stuff, and I'm already lost. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do first. The drawers don't come out, so I'll just have to watch a video, a YouTube video, to see how to dismantle this thing. I've tilted it. Now what? So I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna try to remove this door, see if I can do that. That's what I've done so far. This has been very short and a bit unsuccessful, but I do have a lot of other stuff to do that I can do myself, so that's fine. This is the current state of our house, and that's because we've had to move everything out of the loft because we've had some rats, and it was a bit getting too much. So now I'm planning to let me sit into the madness. I am planning to go over everything that I have here and see what else I need to pack now and I'm not gonna use for another month, like the Christmas decoration, what else I need to clean, wash, whatever, what else I need to sell, and what else I need to donate, and what else I need to throw away. So these are like my categories. I'm gonna start going through it. So basically, let me tell you a short little funny story. My boyfriend hates moving, and I've kindly offered that I would take the heavy load of the moving part, so I'll do the packing. Obviously, he'll help me with the carrying bit and like the moving per se, but I will do most of the packing and organizing and everything like that. So that's why I'm trying to finish this mess and not leave like that for a whole month. So that's the plan. So let's go through everything, see what I need to clean. I'll definitely pack the plants and plant pots and like soil and stuff like that, because I'm not gonna repot anything for the next month. Christmas decorations, as I said, and then I have a lot of boxes. Let me show you. So these are all flat pack boxes that we've acquired just randomly, because that's what you do when you have a loft. Just throw stuff there and then you take it all out and you're like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? So let's start easily and see what we gotta do. Just gonna fill them with stuff. Other than that, I think that's it. Again, I have no storage space there, so it's gonna be fun. Cool, everything's getting together. It's fine. How am I supposed to lift? Okay. Yeah, it's coming.